some outdoor device you will not find registration password option. For example, this one doesn't have. See, you will not find any registration password option. For in this case, you need to update using the EZ tools. So this is the outdoor unit. I'll go to login. After login, go to upgrade, then click the device and then click the online login, then go to upgrade, then refresh. So you will find there is new update. So click OK. Still it's not it is showing, even though if it is showing there is new version, and if you click OK, already the best. You have to do manual update. Manual update you will see here. So you click local upgrade, then select the device, then update, then it will show open one window where you where you save the new version, which I will provide downloaded from Google Drive or what I will send you. Then you click this option. Then select that file. This is the file. Okay, I select that file, then click OK. And it will say start preparing for update. It's updating. You can see here the upgrade progress. The previous version is B1101.3.2 240204. So after updating, it will change to the new version. So you wait until it become 100%. Now it's saying upgrade succeeded. Now after that it will restart. Now it's gone from this list. Okay, now it's updated and you see the version is now changed. Now I will try here. Same discovery. Go to device discovery. Then go to settings. See, now it came registration password, because you need the registration password to get the call connected. I'll show you now. It's already paired. While I'm pressing, call failed. It's because the registration password is not set. So I already set the registration password here. Already in indoor I already set the registration password. I'll show again. I put password, not it should be different from admin password. Okay, it need, so I put QWER at 1234, confirm, then save successful. Then go back to device discovery, device discovery, and click device discovery. Go to settings, put the password of outdoor unit. Then login, then you will see the registration password here. You click this one and put that indoor unit same password, which is QWER at 1234. QWER, sorry, at 1234. So now the same password is set in, this is outdoor, and already I set indoor. Now I will try call. See, it's receiving call. Hello, it's working perfect.